Limbach is a leading mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and building automation firm in the United States. What do? We basically engineer, we assemble modular components, we install complete systems, we then commission those systems, and then the beauty of our business is we create annuity income through the maintenance of those systems. We've been around for 120 years. We have an extremely strong brand. And I'd have to say one of the core reasons why we've been around for so long is evolution. We don't stop changing. When we see market opportunities, we take advantage of them. Now we have two operational segments. One is our GCR segment. The other segment is ODR. GCR stands for General Contractor Relationships. And that includes construction managers, where we act as a specialty contractor building those systems for the general contractor on a large project site. When I look at the GCR segment, it's all about quality of earnings, and we believe there's another 100 to 150 basis points of gross profit margin we can generate as we continue to develop that portion of our business. And the numbers are big. When we go over to the other segment, ODR, and that's owner direct relationships, where we work for building owners directly. Could be preventative maintenance, it could be a project for them. We actually act as a general contractor occasionally. We do what's referred to as MEP Prime. All of those services allow us to keep getting closer to the owner and, quite frankly, closer to the cash flow. This is our big growth story. We've been rapidly growing the ODR segment since 2013, completely organic. In 2013, we did $34 million. In 2020, we delivered $128 million of revenue. So there's been very nice growth, and we don't expect that growth to slow up at all. We think it's really just the tip of the iceberg where we're at today. There's a lot more opportunities out there for us. And when I look at our customer base, we actually have over 1,200 customers that we work for today, building owners. Two ways to look at that. One, we expect that number to continue to grow, but also with the existing customer relationships, it's really gaining more wallet share. There's a lot more opportunity, what we can be doing for building owners, whether it's energy efficiency, upgrades to building automation, general retrofits of their buildings. There's tremendous opportunity there for us. Now our goal by 2025 is to see our revenue split 50-50. So 50% GCR, 50% ODR. Today, we're roughly 70-30. So we have a ways to go, but we're aggressively growing both the top line and bottom line of ODR. Now, something else to think about with our business, we're very diverse. So our service offerings are diverse, but now look at geography. We have a very nice footprint in the United States, and we're looking to expand that footprint mainly in the Southeast right now. That's where we're laser focused. We see tremendous opportunity, mainly because of population migration from up north to down south. And humans need what we do. The last part of diversity is market sectors. Healthcare is our largest sector. We work for the likes of Hospital Corporation of America, United Health Services, Acadia, and many others, both national as well as regional players. And that market is constant demand. There's no shortage of opportunity there. Research and development facilities for the likes of MERCK, AMGEN, Sanofi, many others. Higher education, mainly for the prestigious universities. We are building hyper data centers for the likes of Facebook. Entertainment, we are very involved with Disney down in the Magic Kingdom, Epcot, all their parks. There's tremendous opportunity there. Their spend is ginormous. And we're actually capturing a nice portion of their work, and we actually see further expansion. The last segment is really exciting. It's indoor agriculture. We really focused on this a couple of years ago, and today we have many farms, whether it's being engineered, installed, or maintained. It's just a rapidly growing sector for us, and we don't see it letting up. We actually believe it's going to change how farming is done in the fields. Farms are going into buildings. That's a huge opportunity for us from a mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and building automation perspective. What's really interesting is we do all those things I just mentioned, but we take advantage of the great blue-collar craft talent that we have in the business and combine that with our white-collar engineering, project management. We bring all of that knowledge together and we leverage our human capital, and it just differentiates us from the competition. To To accelerate our growth and create more shareholder value, we will be looking at acquisitions as we go forward. It's actually a big part of our growth story. When we look at acquisitions, obviously they have to be financially accretive. We have to see a strategic opportunity to see that the acquired party plus Limbach, so 1 + 1, can't equal just 2. It has to equal 3, 4, or 5. And then we're also looking for companies that are culturally compatible with our base company. I think that's mission critical to make sure we can integrate them properly. And actually, when we look at the overall acquisition program, we're going to ease into it. We're going to walk before we run. I'm very concerned about proper integration, and quite frankly, we have to get our core processes in place to make sure integration works and works well. Most companies know our company, so when we go and talk with them, there's already recognition. We're not a private equity firm looking to buy a company and figure out what they can do to scale it up. We are in the industry, people know us, and then we have all the aspects of our company that we're bringing to the table, from engineering, which most of our competition doesn't have, to just our culture of caring about people and what we bring in terms of training and development, career path planning, which is going to be terrific for the new employees that join us. Our strategy is definitely focused on organic execution, both in quality of earnings and growth of the top line, especially on our ODR segment. But it also includes the acquisition strategy, which will allow us, between organic and acquisitions, to scale up our business. When you step back and think about the long-term financial opportunity here, it gets down to we're essential. Humans need what we do: heating, air conditioning, plumbing, water, building automation, and of course technology is coming into all of our lives every day in a more advanced way. Like every week there's something new. And the building systems actually employ all of that, which means constant change, constant spend. We're essential, which is, a long-term perspective on our company. We're going to keep evolving, look for market opportunities, shift to those opportunities, but at the end of the day, humans need us. Thank you.